अल्वारा जमीन धारकांचेर अन्याय जावपाक दिवचे नात। सगळ्या मामलेदार उपजिल्लोधिकारी कार्यालय आणि सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा बसोवन कार्यालयांतल्यान लक्ष दवरतलो म्हूण मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
अल्वारा लँड रिगार्डिंग तेचेर तुमी कितें स्टडी केला, तुमी तो घेतले, कशें स्क्रुटिनी बी करतले कितें?
See, as far as Alvara land is concerned, I have just actually my officers briefed me on that. There are two issues. This Alvara land basically was given by the Portuguese governor or whoever it was given to the people basically to cultivate or for different use of land. And then it was, I think, for after 20 years that land belonged to them. Something it was. So then there are many people basically who have accepted that within stipulated time you basically had to accept it. Those people have accepted. Some people unknowingly, what was the procedure to be followed, have not accepted. Their names are still figuring in Form 1 and 14, I guess, as the occupants. Now we must basically take a call on that. I think what happened, we should not use 2 yardsticks to others. I think we need to basically consider their demand as well. So for that we will need to get some amendment to this. I will discuss this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister and then proceed. As far as functioning of the Mamlas is concerned, I want them to function non-partisan manner. Because I have got some certain complaints that in fact lawyers are only basically drafting the orders and giving them orders. So these things should not happen. This is just the allegation which I have got to the notice, and this is what I have even mentioned to them yesterday. I am here. Actually, I told them that we will fit a CCTV camera in all the Mamladar's offices, in all the collectorate offices, so that can function. That will be directly connected to my office. I will speak to the IT minister, and I will have this thing done at the earliest.